All right, so here we are with Unit 1, Lesson 7, and we're going to look at something called accuracy versus precision. Now, again, this is not something that's asked about on the Regents exam, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on it. In fact, this is pretty much all we're going to spend on it. And when you look at the terms accuracy and precision, you would think that they're the same thing, but they're technically very different. So if you look at accuracy, it says accuracy is how close you are to the desired value. In other words, how close are you, for example, to the bullseye? Precision is how repeatable are your results, or how consistent are they? How close are they to each other? They don't necessarily all have to be on the bullseye, but if they're all in the same spot. So, for example, if you take a look at these four down here, you'll notice that Cheryl, not very good, she must need glasses. She's neither accurate nor precise. If you look at Cynthia, she is a little bit better than Cheryl. She's a little bit more precise, but she's certainly not accurate. Her dots are fairly close to each other. Now, if you look at Carmen, Carmen's right on. She's accurate and precise. Not only are all the spots near each other, but they're also in the bullseye. Now, you look at Casey, you'll notice that none of her dots are anywhere near the bullseye, but notice how they're all bunched together? So Casey is precise, but she is not accurate. She's precise because all of her results are fairly close to each other, but she's not accurate. She's inaccurate because they're not where they're supposed to be, which is the bullseye. Okay, so we already kind of did this. A would be accurate and precise would be Casey. Accurate but not precise. Let's go back. Accurate but not precise. Well, I'm not sure about that one. Precise but not accurate. Precise but not accurate would be here. Let's see, we got neither precise nor accurate, obviously would be Cheryl, would be D. Precise but not accurate would be Cynthia. No, precise but not accurate would be Casey. Accurate and precise would be Carmen. I think we covered them all. Again, this is not something you really need to worry about. So as long as you kind of understand the difference between the two, they're not going to ask you a question like this on the Regents exam, so we're not going to worry about it. So let's take a look at this. It says the following data was collected during a lab experiment. The density of the cube should be 10.8 grams per milliliter. Would you say that this data is accurate, precise, neither, or both relative to the accepted value? Well, the accepted value is 10.8. So let's take a look again. Precise means the results don't necessarily have to be where they're supposed to be, but as long as they're bunched together. Accuracy is close to the desired value. So if your numbers are close to what the actual number is, you're accurate. So obviously she's nowhere near that. So she's not precise. She's not accurate, but she is precise because all of her densities are in the same region. But again, not accurate, but precise. And that's it for accuracy and